Hey everyone, welcome back to GLO TECH. In today's lesson, we're diving into the basics of Java syntax. Whether you're a beginner or just refreshing your skills, this video will help you understand Java's structure step by step. All right, let's get started. Last time we created a Java file called Main.java and wrote a simple program to print hello world to the screen. Let's break down that code. Java public class, main, public static void, main string args. First, every Java program must be inside a class. Here, our class is called main. Remember, the class name must start with a capital letter, and Java is case sensitive, so main and main are different. Next, your file name must match the class name. If your class is named myClass, your file should be saved as myclass.java. And every Java program needs a main method. This is where the program starts executing. Now let's zoom in on the main method. Java public static void main string args / code goes here, breaking it down. Public means the method can be accessed from anywhere. Static allows the method to run without creating an object of the class. Void means the method doesn't return any value. Main string args is the standard way Java expects the main method to be written. Inside the main method, you write the instructions for what your program should do. Let's talk about printing output with system.out.println. Java public static void main string args, system out.println hello world. Here's what this statement means. System is a built-in Java class. Out represents the output stream. Println prints the text and moves to the next line. Remember, every Java statement must end with a semicolon, or you'll get an error. Now a few additional Java syntax rules. Curly braces define a block of code for a class or method. Java treats uppercase and lowercase letters differently. It's good practice to indent your code for better readability. To run a Java program on your computer, make sure you have Java Development Kit, JDK, installed, a code editor like VS Code or IntelliJ IDEA, the Java file saved correctly. After writing your code, open a terminal and type javac main.java / compiles the code java main / runs the program expected output. Hello world. All right, let's wrap it up with some key takeaways. Java programs must be inside a class. The main method is where execution starts. Use system.out.println to print output. Follow Java's syntax rules to avoid errors. Now it's your turn. Try writing your first Java program and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more IT tutorials. See you in the next lesson.